On every round.
Yes, because you're right out of.
Well, I know. Yeah, should be all right now. That will.
Doesn't
Doesn't look out of line, does it? No.
Yes,
Oh, good. Oh, I don't know. I've climbed, doesn't it?
Yeah, it really pulls. Doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. Not.
I wonder if you do need some down trim. Down prop.
I don't know, but you've got to watch the blooming tip stalls with it. You put twice nearly bit me there.
Of course, the wind's
Yeah. I'm not too bothered. I'm not too. It's a heavy model, actually. Yeah. See, look, it's coping. It's handling that well. The glide's better now. If I put a bit up on the elevator, it was a little bit under elevated.
So you don't think it needs any down on the motor?
I'll tell you in a minute. What I'm going to do, I'm going to defy. I'm going to just put a bit of down in, Laurie, on the elevator. You got to push forward a bit. That's it. You go the right way. Go forward, yeah.
You've still got a little
Okay.
bit left.
Yeah. Might need a bit of down. We'll soon see. I'm certainly not overpowering it. Bags of power. No, you still wanted to turn the left. Did we run out of right rudder, have we, Laurie?
Yeah, no, you got.
Put a bit more right rudder on then.
Got plenty of right.
Okay.
In fact, I think that's sometimes better because you tend
Yes,
to tip your
that's
wings
it.
otherwise.
That's it. See there, it's on the tip stall there, on me then. You've got to keep the nose down on the turn on this one. Doesn't like pulling off elevator on the turn.
Yeah, they fly a bird, that's it.
Oh, do they?
The
Gliders?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The wind, I'll tell you what, the wind's all over the place.
Oh, no, it is, yeah. It is. I want to see what the glide's like.
Timer stop.
Yeah, you need to be able to almost cut your power on that.
Yeah.
Glide it.
Yeah.
Timer start. Timer stop. Timer start. Timer stop.
I'll tell you what, it's a very heavy model to land. You
Well,
can't
it is quite.
pull it up, really, you know.
Stop. Timer start. Time remaining.
Getting better now, isn't it? Yeah.
Timer stop.
I'm getting used to it now.
Horrible on the ground.
Getting used to it now, yeah.
That plastic on the blooming metal.
Yeah, I know.
Timer
See, look.
What? You know, they're almost.
Yeah,
That is almost level now.
it is, isn't it?
I wonder if it's not. No, that's dead level now.
So what we need
And
to do
that's
then...
down, so that will pull it left. So
Yes.
I